two prominent women's organizations from the Jaintia Hills that include the Meghalaya Indigenous Women's Council MWC and the Jaintia Women's Council JWC, along with leaders from the Nyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO, met with the member secretary of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, George H. Chirmang, on the 22nd of October. The groups called for a new public hearing on Messrs Megatop Cement Private Limited's proposed projects in Wayajer Narpo in East Jaintia Hills district. The women's groups claimed that the public hearing held on the 18th of October 2024 was manipulated by non-tribal individuals, preventing local stakeholders from expressing their concerns about the cement plant. They accused the organizers of barring indigenous voices from participating, which they described as a human rights violation.
Hai kajing dawa jonga kadai kat bala balong kidai ben recall biang ya kane ka public hearing. But kidai ru ben ailat ya ki paiba ben raise ya ka wise jongki. Lada kidai supporters ne ki opposer. Ngim don jing ta ya kata hanre ngidai ben don pada kita ki background lani ki nong rim kumno ben stand but kumno ben snow ya ki paiba. Namar ngingin happen shy ya ki paiba ke kata ka may mariang ka jongi. Namar karkom ka jongi jingyo I jongi hangne nama ngilay I ba ubar jela one moles but ularip ru ya ka kami ka kandaw ka siap jongi. Katkum ka jingyo I jonga ta kadai hi kumta. Kidon hi kadai ka kadon ka jing sung tho jong mit jingmut jong ki hapadang kita. Ma hado nado ki district administration hado ki ni ka kiri tu ki nong yu jong ka meghatop nang ta hado ki ni ki nong chong snong ya don bentalang hang ta benyelek persyak ya kini ki nong wan ben so tho pai ba la ne ben ai ya kata ka opinions jong ki
ni wan ne na ma ba man ka to kasi ba pulang public hearing am shathi ngiling ngila bo court show DC mo ngipan permission ba dong situ chopo barlang hearing mo ti ndang ila ay to court DC mo urula ay kasi commissioner to ula kali yang aro ba kanong pin niwan ngongin mo na bro ke member nginuwan tang ko absan like pungut tiong okay tang ba don't do any violence mo tingong okay ti ndang ila wan parto basiam ti naduk ka kit kana banekong kiladan kita kibering kibalayeng to kibabat yo uding ho ngitip kiba kita kibering uri kimde kitrashno yo lesi kibala lepthit mo ti nang to pat ni shu ya khanyat yang to ni shu ya khanyat ni shu ya push ki nang to ni sayo ban ru sha ka kit ka baar ti andala rung ha ka kit ka baar pat kiladan de kipulet tingila iwan ni wei madam ngila de ikran ni akran bati ti ong ngi ba mlong bandu tang arngut sha tang arngut tingi ong iba ngila depan borna udisi te udisi rula ong yang ba rung kumba ngala ong ku bandrung to kumba akusan lai pungut ti ong udisi ula ong ula tha ba rung tang arngut tingi ha kata ka por bingila ada push hang tam ndang ila po hang ta ni dan stang kumba kandai ni pungut tingong isha kong ni yengi bandrung sapo im syari ang bajini tang arngut ti tang na kata kada bang ha tang arngut ni kram ya rung sapo ti nda ki bai pat ki bri ki ba support ni ir ki khmat tak jong ba ki yat dan ba kali jing kali ki hande ngi ki ba opus kalong kim syare ni ban rung sapo kam dai ji syara ha ki terwa yang aru tang ba ngaklam record ki terwa hi te kata ka among ki klam ong raga kata ki ong ngake be pikwa e ke pikwa pisane mong em ko pisang tere ki ong to wan ye keren bat ni ye dil bani ke ke pikwa ngin ai pi mong em kwa ye keren namang la tip te ke ke bakin terwan kong ko pisai ni sethi badan cement plant sethi am kalong shwaman long public hearing am kin kular bikin ailon kituru yo lese kim pan mat kata ka jingim ti andala yo pati kata ka cement planam ti means ka jinjar pati kinong tray wasto sipo ki jinjar ki local jongi ki batray sto sipo katulap ka jing siu kambiang ra suppose lada nga pas bi te we mo wanda po kal katai pas bi ka jing siu ka pen Yek ni ki ba shathi kalong ketulap karit ki ba wanda barpat ketulap jam kita kahet ki jinjar bon ki daw.
Members of the Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization who submitted a memorandum to the member secretary of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board also demanded a fresh hearing, arguing that the previous one lacked fair representation of all stakeholders. Speaking to reporters after the meeting, Hito President Don Bogdakhar said that Chirmang assured them the request would be forwarded to the Ministry of Environment and Forest for further action. He added that the MSPCB has been given a week to address the issue.
Katkum gajing temu gajing mut tajungi pangini kendo yo member secretary manai dorkas and recall biang te nakaliang jongu la shim ye katuka dorkas mau la ai commitment ma un point no sidali hapo gini ki sngi te nakaliang jongi ngila ai por bi stayo ba hakani ka po stayo la da kampoi kata ka jubab nakani ka office na ni na po MOEF ngin sa syong kasi si bakerke harangkat bat ki district bakar pengen simpat ki wiki limti ki ban yeki haba ya dai ban pha penlong yang ya kata ka public hearing ante apo wa ijar la ne apo DC office jangka Eastern Hills te nakalian jong to ong lai ka full commitment ba kin pendap bat kin pha ru ba ya kata ka appraisal naki shaki khanang ba kin sa jubab pat ya kata bakin recall bam phat recall phat kadang long ya ka jubab kadang long 50-50 lada la ne mla entan dala wan kata ka shthi shangi ka bang yo jubab la ka MOEF rangkat ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board.
Meanwhile, George H. Chirmang, the member secretary of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, clarified that the final decision on holding new hearing rests with the Ministry of Environment and Forest, and the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board would follow its instructions.
Katkum bedor khas ani complain bikila ai ki ong ba hokato sing ba penlong ya ka public hearing hapo athang sky dengan bakal khat phatrik ki claim yo ai galat banya simbenta tanada kata daw kila kim sngo tandat ya gani bat ki kila long agree bat kila persyang kumapili imenden kila file ka FIR persai SPUDC tam ta kasing hang ni ki poi hang ni ki kili ni ba balai ni ngim dan hang ka to hasai tengah ngajuban ki kamram jongi ka dai ban assist si district administration nama ru chairman be preside hapo ka environmental public hearing wala pandai UDC le ne unu officer ban nominate to UDC not less than the rank of EDM katkum ki EIA guidelines ta to kasing pi dan ba awar jadi iba preside tingi assist mangi hapo ni nam jonga tanta yega ga bajia fil kamde cho subject matter jongi maka ka kamram jongi ka de stage off the stage kamde kamram jongi ngalapan stho ikiru kata ga de koi bantri kanda gi haring ngalapan stho iki ba kam syong ko borangi kamar ko bok hagani ga kasin ne ka kis bakalang mentang ya ko tor ne ka term of reference ngi ona po MOEF mata ka last stage kan man ka appraisal hadin ka public consultation ka public hearing ta ngin sa phai ka complain letter joki ka ek badai ban le ban approve ni ban kantai ke dai bai haka bor jang MOEF ngin ban bor to la da ka MOEF ko daring ban le sa license RCN ru ni ha ban le kam chon ti joki